Hello there, this is Daniele from Toolchefs and welcome to this new video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the Atoms UI and see what's happening under the hood whenever you register an animation clip or agent type. So if I open the Atoms UI, we'll find basically that whenever we press the add button here, this pop-up dialog will show up for both the animation clip and agent type. And we'll ask you if you want to create your animation clip in GUI or script mode. So we always press the GUI mode whenever you see us in videos, but for this case I'm gonna press the script mode. And here what you see is basically actually a Python script. So this Python script is actually what's embedded within each one of these other animation clips. So when you create an animation clip in GUI mode, what's actually being stored inside the scene.json of this scene is a Python script. As you can see here, the Python script has some members, static members that are have the same name as the attributes of the animation clip in GUI mode. So we have the event name, the clip path, blend frames after foot up, the loop state, loop start, and so on. The cool thing about this is that if you keep reading, you'll find this load function, which is basically what's called for saving this animation clip within Atoms. And what we do here is actually we read the values that are stored basically here. So the event name, the loop blend, and so on. And we use those for building our clip. So one thing that you can do is if you check the Python code, basically this file, so it's the Atoms UI and then constants, you will find that there are a couple of templates, so one for the animation clip script and another one for the agent type. And this template is actually what you see, these templates are what you see in the Atoms UI. So for instance, if I go back to Maya, if I open the agent type and I do script, here also we have a Python template, which is basically the one that we're just looking at here. So it's this one basically. So if you are in your company, like in a specific company, and you have a big pipeline and so on, you could also take advantage of this feature of Atoms. So basically you could overwrite those global variables in that module, and then whenever Atoms would create a new agent type or animation clip in GUI mode or your script mode, you would have your new template. So for instance, in the agent type you might pass a skeleton file, which is not actually a file, but it could be a path to a database, and then you could get a lot of other information within, like from database, or maybe shotgun or ftrack and so on, and then use those for populating your for building your agent type or animation clip. So just to show you quickly, for instance, if we go in Houdini and open the Python source editor, if I copy this script, sorry, paste this script, which is basically, it's just what I'm doing is like I'm just importing that module and then overwriting that variable, new animation clip script. For instance, here in the load function, what I can do is just can do print this is my animation clip, can apply, and then if I open that on UI, yes, and if I create a new animation clip in GUI mode, what I find here in the console is that message that I just added. So basically this is still the same UI, but under the hood what you're doing is like I've actually overwritten that Python script. So you can do really whatever you want in there, but you have to of course make sure that it doesn't, like that template script doesn't really like the syntax is correct and doesn't have any error. If we do, for instance, add script, you will find that template and you will find that print statement that we just added. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.